Let's talk about soccer. It is not a simple sport to learn. It requires you to know the rules and how to play. The simple soccer rules are 11 players on a team, and the ball is started when the ref throws it in the air. The players must get the ball, which we will talk about later. The simple rule is to try to score in the enemy's net, but the most difficult is not to touch it with your hand. If you do touch it with your hand, it causes a foul, which is a turnover. Now let's talk about the science behind the sport. The first priority is kicking. Here you can see that the person is kicking the ball. This requires Newton's first law. It is the law of motion. That means a ball at rest stays at rest, and a ball in motion stays in motion. This means if you leave a ball alone, it won't move. But once a force is applied, the ball starts to move. Now let's talk about headbutting. It requires Newton's second law. What is Newton's second law? It is the law of force. For example, if the ball is falling from the sky and you want to hit it, you have to have a greater force and mass than the ball. This applies more force and send the ball up. Next is ball control. Ball control requires both Newton's first and second law. This is because while the ball is moving, the person is applying force, which sends the ball in an applied direction. This is also an action called sliding friction. The ground friction is stopping the ball from going at a same speed from where you kicked it.